We're here at South Wimbledon Studios to shoot the Smart Crossings campaign for Direct Line.
The idea for Smart Crossings was really born out of the problem with crossings. 7,000 road incidents take place at crossings every year. A smarter solution would be a smarter crossing, and that's where the idea, how could you make a crossing better, was born from.
Broadly looking at ways in which Direct Line can prevent accidents. So we were looking at lots of different ways that we could improve the roads, and this was the most sophisticated and most responsive solution we came up with, which was to develop a responsive one.
Direct Line has an understanding of modern day problems and the challenges that people face, and this is what we try to fix. And really it's taken us down quite a preventative route also. So technology and modern day opportunities to fix this feels like a natural way to kind of fit what people are dealing with today.
In principle, what this shows is this could be deployed at right now. You know, the technology is actually there to deploy this kind of thing immediately. It's really a question of how it best integrates into the city that needs to be kind of worked out next. The pedestrian crossing, which is a fundamental part of our interaction with the city, has not really been looked at that much in the last few decades. You know, I'm always kind of interested in these things that seem maybe almost mundane about the city, and how to really just make sure that they are working for people first.
Whenever you do something that hasn't been done before, there's always going to be challenges.
Yeah.
It's a world first, so you've got to adapt. It's been a collaborative process.
You're working with experts, and everybody is coming at it from with slightly different priorities. Obviously it's our job to drive the brand message, to drive the innovation, and then for someone like Umbrellium or TRL, it's to make sure that it works in the traffic environment, that it's not going to be distracting, it's going to actually be a safe thing.
Before people are really making their decision, it already knows whether they're going to be crossing already. And the key challenge with these crossings is there's a number of different people meeting at one place. We've got cars, we've got cyclists and pedestrians all meeting in one area, which is where the problem really lies. So we've worked really closely with Transport Research Lab to determine what are the most challenging scenarios that happen in these environments, and the crossing today demonstrates those particular examples.
This is about a business that's morphing into a world where insurance is going to become about prevention, moving from a process of restitution to a service of prevention. So this is, like fleet lights, is a signal of how we can do high performance as a brand, but taking very old and established problems and doing them in a different way using new technology. It's about to increase our mental availability of the brand more broadly, and we hope it will be eye-catching and engaging and talked about and shared and liked as a piece of communication, so it has a much broader impact and generally has mass appeal.
You always want to do innovative work, and we've got a client like Direct Line that also believes in that. So I think it's great as a creative, you always want to push boundaries, and
you can only do that if your client's coming with you. I mean, you know, if you're pushing against their ambition. So that's why they're such a brilliant client to work with. They want to build on the success of previous innovation and keep it going and really become a leader, a thought leader in that area.